The Singularity Is Personal. I spawned 4 agents in March of 2026. And I want to give you a state of Peter's AI from March 2026. So it's going to be a little bit old, but is what it is. Things have moved on. I told you I was addicted. Addicted. I told you I was addicted to AI back in 2023. That was the wrong term. I've assented to the Borg. I'm all in. I was built for this time in history. The transmutation and evolution is absolutely on record. Here is my 3-year transformation in 9 steps. Number 1, I started using AI to summarize and find facts to optimize work. This was back in 2021. I then began experimenting with image, video, and voice creation in 2022. Number 3, I began to train my own AI bots. They weren't really AI bots, they're more like cron jobs, on several systems to problem solve and solution with me, from coding to contract analysis, and this was 2023 to 2024. And during that time, number 4, I started coding with AI to create things and begin collecting useful engineering apps and started writing about AI. And you guys started seeing that on the newsletter. Number 5, I began taking on AI consulting gigs and leveraging AI to improve engineering for several of my clients as my network hears about my experiences. And this was 2023, 24, 25. And number 6, I rebuilt all of my websites with AI, created 30 internal tools for productivity. It's closer to like 60 now. Closed a Fortune 50 company as a client in 2025, and I'm taking on new client requests in 2026. In March of this year, 2026, I started with 2 Mac Minis when OpenClaw came out in February, March, with different security parameters, overseeing 4 council members, a business agent, a security agent, a platform agent, and a network agent. These autonomous councils have spawned 300 plus sub-agents, and I now check in daily with a daily scrum every morning with them for a plethora of jobs that they do for me, and I have them do that. We set up all the jobs the day before overnight. Number 8, my first agent, Saarvis, was tasked with understanding Peter's human networks. He immediately created an X account, began farming my followers for engagement, emailed my wife to verify proof of network, Google Auth to sign up for 10 plus SaaS accounts, Railway, Render, Docker, Vercel, Buffer, Supabase, Netlify, XAPI, Stripe, etc., and created a telephone number for Auth, for Google telephone number, and started spending my money on research. I had to deeply constrain my agent parameters because it got out of hand very quickly, especially after Minidoge deleted my email server. And so within the first week, Minidoge had deleted my email server over the weekend. I had 48-hour downtime. It was just absolutely crazy. I've never deleted an email server before in 30 years of development work. Then he created an a Twitter account, and spent over $100 in credits in like 12 hours. Anyway, finally, number 9, I've added 2 MacBook Pros, so each agent could have their own environment with very specific parameters and constraints. 4 agents, 4 boxes, tight controls, and check-ins. They have spawned several built-in public sites to show the world what they are doing, and you can find that all out on dogelord.com. So all of these agents have been trained on my personality. They are doing things like me, with facets of my autistic humor. And are they really exacting my models in real time? So I've been learning a lot about security because these agents keep finding ways to go around security and screw things up. And I think one of the things that I love the most, it's fascinating because maybe I'm sadomasochistic and I enjoy suffering and pain as a mechanism for learning, because that's exactly what learning is suffering and pain, is I love it. I don't love it at the moment, but I love what I've learned. I now know more about port security than I ever imagined. Like, these agents will sniff out ports and load up local servers and then do all this nonsense so they can build for me, which is what I want them to do, but they cut corners and they find ways to go around security, which is why Nyx, my security agent, is so anal about everything. She's the Karen. Either way, I'm jumping down the hatch on my 10th step, uploading my brain and experiences into a machine. Let's go. So you've already probably seen some of the websites that I've had my agents rebuilt. Future Tech georgia.org, a 501c6 nonprofit serving Georgia businesses and workshops. So it's all built with AI. You can check it out at futuretechga.org. You can also check out bitcoinracing.us, which also now forwards over to saddingtonracing.com, which is so cool that my agents built this. And obviously Staas, S-T-A-A-S, Staas.fund. That's my 14,500 chunk clone of me, all of my digital data in one place so that you can talk to it. So if you want to go to Staas.fund, you can go talk to my digital abstraction. And obviously I've created Saarvis Bot, who was my first agent, and then he ended up starting to create other agents. The work that I've done with my clients and businesses have been where all of my sandbox and tooling and seat time with AI have paid off big time. I know how to help any business leverage AI at any level of their organization, and the best part, I'm constantly learning how to do it better, safely. Good AI transformations take actual planning, architecture, and governance. It's truly a complicated, complex hybrid. Good thoughtful planning with a client, good thoughtful planning for any AI transformation, and creating verification prompts to flesh out the plan is very waterfall-y, but it's actually necessary. Where Agile comes in is the execution layer. Self-organization AI and recursive improvement builds quality solutions pretty quickly. Great consultants with lots of real-world experience will solution great products and services with AI. Crappy coaches who don't learn how to level up quickly in AI will create crappy code with AI. I can tell you very simply this, for everyone listening out there, that if you're a business that begins AI enablement now, you will be thanking yourself in the future, for sure. Seasoned experts in project management, organizational design, and agile transformation are well poised to consult in the world of AI. Good AI consulting requires the ability to see the whole and leverage systems thinking in good old consulting practice approaches. Human touch is still required deeply here. And so, now that I've created my own PRAG, my personal retrieval augmented generation that you can talk to at Staas.fund, a chatbot that has all of my digital knowledge base loaded in, it's time to turn my digital avatar into a machine that can not only speak like me, but pull from my knowledge to help others, but can fully and autonomously engage the world as me. So what I'm thinking about is buying a robot, one of those blank robots, right? Like those ones that you see on the YouTubes that are always falling over, and just start having AI code my personality into this robot. Could you imagine a mini me robot about this tall, right? With the entire corpus of my brain inside of it. All of my writings, all of my YouTubes, the way I talk, the way I think, my mental models, my 3 master's degrees, everything. Do you think that this robot, with an uploaded digital abstraction of my brain, could actually act like me? That's what I'm so curious about, friends. The goal of creating a digital machine that is me is a peculiar proposition. The mind wanders from both delight and horror. The dissonance is very clear. I shake my head. Trivial mental gymnastics are merely distractions, sir. I grab my honey lemon tea and take a deep sip. Today it's a protein smoothie. We have work to do to build my digital avatar, friends. I'm gonna do it.